Meaning of horn.
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 Horn. The word horn can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It may refer to the bony protrusion found on the head of some animals, such as cows or goats, which they use for defense or to establish dominance. In music, a horn could refer to any brass instrument with a flared bell, such as a trumpet or a trombone. Additionally, a horn can also be a warning device used in a vehicle. Overall, the meaning of the word horn is dependent on the context it is used in and can have different interpretations.